to our channel, Yak Maniacs. We're back. Today we're on the Etowah River.
I want to catch a fish.
Well,
with my dad.
Yeah,
Back there.
he's over there.
Targeting mostly striped bass and catfish or whatever bites. Patrick doesn't have any bait, but me and my dad were using live bait and just kind of see what we can do, figure it out. I had a bite earlier, and that was about it. Patrick thought he had a bite, but he was snagged.
I was just snagged really bad. Fish on! Woo-hoo. Oh wait. Come on, please be fish. No, it's a snag. It was just a snag. Dude, okay, no. I started feeling a tug and I was like, all right, that's a fish. So then I set the hook and it was just a branch or something, I guess. I don't know. We've caught nothing so far.
Yep. Hold on. Yeah, we're still got nothing. Okay.
Nothing. All right, Jay. So now we are back at Kenworth Park.
The river trip didn't work out too well. We had a couple bites. We saw fish jump. So we're at Kenworth Park, hopefully to redeem ourselves and have a little fun. I don't know what's up here.
Did you just fart? No. Got that all on camera.
Oh.
You know?
No.
Are you okay? Yeah. Fish on. Look at his eyes. Beautiful.
Let's go. It's a sunfish, but he chased that for a while. Oh, I caught a fish. And I was recording. Thank you. Dude, bring all the rods. Look at this spot. Oh my god. Look at how juicy that is.
Come on. Okay, here we go. Get back in.
No, but I had the... Now I did. Double up. That was a nice cast. I don't see the bass. I think you're tripping.
I'm not tripping, bro. Look straight in freaking front of me.
There's no bass there.
Oh my gosh, Jay!
Let's go. On the drop shot.
On the drop shot.
On the drop shot. He's looking at it? Oh, wait. Reel it in, cast it out again. He's right here. Just cast the partner. Cast it into that pocket.
Oh my gosh.
That's perfect. Now leave it. And just twitch it up. And if you feel something, set it. That's okay. It's okay. Cool.
Oh, he's on. Dude, that felt so awesome. That felt so awesome. Oh my gosh. High five. Freaking hell yeah.
Alright, I think there's another one in there, so I'm gonna go again.
Okay.
But that was sick.
Dude, no way. That felt so good.
That was so cool.
That felt so
watch that.
good. Like, guys, I mean, like,
It's a dink, but it's just so much fun.
dude, that was so sick. Oh, I'm on.
Oh, you lost it. Try mine. Mine's smaller. Got one.
Yes. Yes. Are you recording?
I don't know.
I'm not. I can be. Jay is so happy.
I'm very happy.
Dude, if you catch 4 bass,
That's a new record. Dude, there's more fish in here.
there has to be. Okay, hold on.
Little guy. I love you. Thanks for the bite.
All right.
You gotta be patient.
Already.
Dude,
It's not
a
even.
bluegill.
It's a bluegill. What the hell?
I will give you another fish. But that's so cool.
I almost got his eye. Man, I feel bad for him. He devoured it. The one on the drop shot. This is so much fun to use. I love it. Jay and I have been swapping up on the drop shot. I put my stuff up so I could go get my bait caster I left, and Justin tossed in the drop shot. Literally, his first cast after I was walking away, and he caught a bass. It's freaking stupid.
I'm sorry, Patrick. I didn't mean to do that.
All right, Justin and I are done. We fished until we couldn't fish anymore. Not because it's dark. We're just so tired. So we're gonna head home, and I'm gonna drop Justin off, and then I'm gonna go home and take a shower and go to sleep. All right. Peace out. See you next time. My chub, my chub, my chub, my chub.